Bangladesh Premier League 2025 first match Fortune Bolishal vs Rajshahi. Date and time both team playing 11 for this first match. BPL 2025 match number 1 13 December 2025 time 1:30 p.m. Venue Mirpur, Dhaka. Fortune Borishal playing 11. 1. Kyle Myers opener. 2. Tamim Iqbal opener. 3. Tawhid Hridoy one down batsman. 4. David Melan batsman. 5. Mushfiqur Rahim wicketkeeper batsman. 6. Mahmudullah Riyad all-rounder. 7. Mohammad Nabi all-rounder. 8. Rishad Hossain all-rounder. 9. Ripon Mondol pace bowler. 10. Shaheen Shah Afridi fast bowler. 11. Ebadat Hossain fast bowler. Durbar Rajshahi playing 11. 1. Enamul Haq opener and wicketkeeper. 2. Jisan Alam opener. 3. Samara Khan one down batsman. 4. Akbar Ali two down batsman. 5. SM Mehrab Hossain all-rounder. 6. Saad Nasim all-rounder. 7. Yasir Ali Rabbi all-rounder. 8. Sanjamul Islam pace bowler. 11. Hassan Murad spinner. 10. Taskin Ahmed fast bowler. 11. Bilal Khan fast bowler. Viewers, which team will win first?